All right, welcome back, everybody, girls and boys, for another excuse me, unboxing video. This is a kitchen knife 18 piece 18 18 piece set kitchen knives. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, let's see if I can get them all in the shot. Hold on. I want you guys to get all the knives in the shot and everything. Okay, hold on. Oh, let me bring this down at an angle. Like that, there you go. Okay, so we have 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch bread knife, 8-inch slicer knife, 3, 4, 7-inch santoku knife. I like the sound of that one. That should sound badass. So something like Zoro will use, you know? Or Sanji. Alright, and then there's 5 is a 5.5-inch santoku knife. Then 6, 5-inch serrated utility knife. 7, 5-inch utility knife. 8, 3.5-inch paring knife. 9, 3-inch bird's peak or bird's beak knife. And 10, right, 4.5-inch steak knife. There's 6 of them times 6. And then there's your, so that's 15. And then there's your sharpener. That's 17. And then there's scissors. That's 18, right? Scissors 18. There you go, my peeps. I don't know if you guys can see the scissors. Oh, there you go. My bad if I messed up the count. Yeah, because there's 6 of these, which are the 4.5-inch steak knives. So if we count them again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 6 of these, yeah. So that's 18. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. This bad boy up. Ooh, that looks something Zoro and Sanji would like to use. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Basic. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's good inside. Alright, which one should we pull out first? The big one or the small? The big one. Come on, big one. Ooh, what's inside this little boxy? Anything inside the little boxy. Mystery box. Storage box. Oh, damn. Just waste. Alright. Compose that motherflower. Okay, hijo de eso. Si está pesado esta más. It has some weight. It's heavy. Holy smokes, my peeps. Okay. Let me back this up. Let me bring this down. Alright. Let's do this. Okay, not bad for the poor angle. Now it's adjusted. Baby. There you go. Cool. Put this right here. Ooh, see if anything inside here. Nope, this goes inside the box. Cool. Alright, so you place them nice inside here. I'm not gonna set it up right now, my peeps. I'll set it up when I'm gonna use it, when I get my juicer back. But right now we're just looking at it. So right here we got the sharpener, utility knife, bread knives. Oh, it's labeled. Nice. Badass. Paring knives, chef knives, small santoku, serrated utility knife, bird's peak, and slicer knife. Nice. So they're all labeled. Sweet. I like that. Oh, this is the base. Yeah, this is the rubber grommets, so it won't slide, so it'll be stationary, so it won't move so much, right? Here's the little label. The knives. Hopefully it was, hopefully I don't regret it. I mean, it's for now, you know? But yeah, I like the fact that they're labeled my piece. That's fucking badass. Sweet. Alright. Let's see what's inside the other. What's inside? Oh, obviously the knives. Oh, sorry about the tripod, moving it. So let's put this like this for the background. Put this here on the side. And I guess I'm gonna open it up, my piece. Let's just do this. Won't make this too long. Okay, let me just... Okay. Yeah, let me just open it like that. Oops. Oh no, I'm ripping the box. I don't want to rip the box. Not right now. Still gotta store them. Cause I still gotta set up the camper. I gotta get the wood and get all the material. But I need my tools. That's like this frustrating. With all my stuff back, with all my personal belongings, I can't really do much. I really can't, cause I need all those stuff to make moves, you know, and make shit happen and build and get handy-mandy and crafty and. Yeah, but without my tools, I can't work, can't get stuff done. Alright, hold on, my piece. So yeah, look, check it out. We got the scissors. Alright, nice, beautiful. Then we got the sharpener. Alright. We'll go through them quick. It's either way you guys are going to see them in future videos, all the future videos, you know, and a quick little intro on them. But yeah, they're going to be doing all kind of good stuff. Steak knife. Ah, man, they feel good. I like the grip. They feel like they're going to do some damage on my fruits, some vegetables, some herbs, some nuts and seeds, and all that good stuff. Yup. Steak knife. Another steak knife. Steak knife. A steak knife. Oh, this is a Sir utility knife. Let me take this one out. There you go. Oh, I like the little rubber tips protectors. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. Yeah, they feel good. I can't wait to put them to the test. I know Sanji will like this and Zoro. For sure. Alright. What is this one? The paring knife. Alright, so you guys can check it out, my piece, real quick. Yet again, the little protector. That's badass. I never seen this before. That's cool. Hey, they feel good. They feel, man, I'm telling you. Too bad Sanji and Zoro ain't here, man, because these guys would have been going at it with these motherfuckers real quick. Alright, look, steak knife, another one. Ah, Sandoku knife. Whee! Oh, this one's the bad boy. So that's how you look. Alright. All the plastic fell off. It's just stuck inside there. That's cool. Well, there you go, my piece. It's because the LCD goes black. Okay. I need to see too what I'm doing. Nice. Woo! I'm going to use this one a lot. Sandoku. Like Goku. Hey, Goku. Alright, look, Bird's Peak. Alright, let's check this one out. Oh, check it out real quick. Bird's Peak. Alright, my peeps. This is cool. Can't wait. I gotta read. Hopefully they have a little manual. I'll do YouTube, whatever, to see what they're for, each one. Like stupid ass Ramsey, like Gordon Ramsay, see what the fuck he says about these, and you know, just people that are supposedly they know their shit when it comes to this stuff. But yeah, my piece, this is gonna be some damage on my juicer, on my, man, can't wait. Need my juicer back. Alright, and okay, look, Sandoku knife. Oh, this is a big one, a big bad boy, the Rambo one. Hell yeah, the Rambo knife. This is the Mihawk blade. Fuck, the Berserker blade right here, dude. Shoo-wee, let's do this. Some major damage. Órale, man, chido. Alright, vatos, check it out. Simón ese. Alright, look, 8-inch bread knife pal pan. Woo-wee, pal pan dulce, wey. Chocolatito, hot chocolate. Oh, sweet, homie. That raisin bread with some Nutella and some dates. Woo! We are. Oh, the last one, chef's knives. Oh no, there's still some more in there. All right, chef knives. Check it out, my peeps. All right, this is taking. All right, we're at 10 minutes. It's almost 11. All right, check it out. Chef's knife, 8-inch. Ooh, infinity. Ah, híjole. Este sí va a hacer damage on the jackfruit, on the watermelon, and the big fruits. All right, let's put this back. Man. All right, my peeps, this is awesome. All right, what's next? Oh, slicer knife. Like Cypher from Pokemon. Cypher! Slicer! 8-inch slicer knife. Yeah, my piece. Oh, I can't wait, man. All right, we got knives. We got knives. Start juicing, start cutting, start prepping. Oh, gee, start making some magic in the kitchen. All right, let's put all of this stuff back. I'll put one this way, then the other one this way, and then like that. Okay, chef knife. Okay, let me name them as they go back in. Okay, so slicer knife, bread knife, chef knife, Sandoku knife, steak knife, bird's beak knife, Sir utility knife, steak knife, utility knife, Perry knife, steak knife, another steak knife, scissors, sharpener, and steak knife. There you go, my peeps. We are ready to get juicing. I just got to get it back. Alright, my peeps, so that's it for this unboxing. I'll see you guys for the next one. Hope you guys like it. Alright, everyone. Like. Smash that like button. Comment. Share. Subscribe. And hit the notification bell. Alright, people, stay tuned, man. There's more unboxing videos. And follow me for the journey. Alright, thanks everyone for the support. Peace, love, and